one that was set in New York. So what was your approach to how you visualize New York?
My wife's family live in New York, so I've been here for a long time. So I would say New York is the city that
His tongue is moving so fast I can't focus.
And also it reminds me of Hong Kong because it even though it's much bigger, but I can feel that visually it's also vertical, and also there's a space where people from different parts of the world are living together. And the idea of my Two Very Nice actually came from a few years ago in Hong Kong, which is a story happening in a diner between two persons. And so I think, well, it will be interesting to expand the stories, to adopt the story in this city.